National Working Faction suspends National Chairman, Damagum, Secretary. Political turmoil deepens within Nigeria's main opposition party as rival factions of the People's Democratic Party's National Working Committee suspend top party officials. In the latest development, the party's National Publicity Secretary has announced the suspension of the acting national chairman, Ambassador Ilia Damagum, and the National Secretary, Senator Samuel Anyanwu. This move follows earlier suspension by a faction aligned with Damagum, which targeted the National Legal Advisor and National Publicity Secretary. The suspension stemmed from allegation of disloyalty to the party, particularly concerning a legal matter involving former Rivers State lawmakers. According to official party communications, Damagum and Anyanwu allegedly took actions against the party's position in an ongoing Court of Appeal case. This case involves 27 former Rivers State House of Assembly members who lost their seats after defecting to the ruling All Progressive Congress. The National Working Committee has referred both suspended officials to the National Disciplinary Committee for further investigations. During their suspension, they are barred from participating in all National Working Committee meetings, activities, and programs. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV as we bring you more updates on this story.